I hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video we are going to discuss the Chainlink to the moon, my friends. This video is going to be a surprise video for all of you, my friends, so never miss any second of this video, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Chainlink to the moon, my friends. Yes, absolutely, Chainlink is now ready to the moon. Are you ready to the moon or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. My friends, when I see the yesterday price update of the Chainlink, so I understand and I'm sure completely about a Chainlink that now Chainlink is ready to the moon, because the both chains, the last 1 day, last 1 hour, everything is on the front of your eyes. You can see here that the last 1 day chain is positive 4.22% positive and 0.3% positive changes occur in the last 1 hour, and 15.84 USD dollar is the current price of the Chainlink in the market, my friends. So personally, I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very satisfied about the Chainlink, that now Chainlink start explosion. And you know what? After a long-term falls, after 1 month, after 40 days falls, the Chainlink start pumping. That is why I'm feeling very good about the Chainlink, my friends. And everything will be okay. I told you in my many videos that please hold, please hold, please hold, and now you can see here that now it is time the price start pumping, my friends. And absolutely, my friends, I know that they continue this pump for a long time, my friends. You can see here this jump, that is the quick jump of the Chainlink, my friends. So if this kind of jumps Chainlinks take, so absolutely that is not so far that they will make you millionaire, they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about a Chainlink? Good or bad? Just tell me in a comment box, my friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.